issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, until 4 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Carlisle, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Urbana, Northwest